Hello students, this is Semfano with Esha Academy, where we teach people in demand tech skills. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and we request that you subscribe, share and like and comment on our videos in order for us to keep on producing similar content. Thank you. Hi students, we are continuing. We're on question 8. We're on question 8 of our computer practice question paper that was written in November 2016. We are going to look at the questions that involve mail match. So I've already typed question 8 for you, but I just want to point out a few things for you. Now you can see we are given a table in the question paper here. We have got the headings of the table here on the left hand side. Okay, then we have got the records on the right hand side. We have 3 records for letters for 3 people on the left hand side here. Okay, so we have got our document. This is the document that is typed in MS Excel. You can however type this document even in Microsoft Access for a database, okay, because this is a database, the list of the people that are going to receive the document that we're going to be sending to them. So you can notice that I put the headings as across, as horizontal at the top, but here on the here they are vertical. Okay, so when you are typing them in Microsoft Access, I'm sure you're familiar with how you create you design the fields and the data types under the design view. That is what you're going to put under design view. Okay, then these records you're going to enter them when you're under data sheet view. Okay, but with the Excel you just type the headings at the top and then the records at the bottom. Okay, as you can see, this is what I have done. This is our question 8. I have actually converted the page to landscape orientation. I have actually included everything that they said they want to include, so you can quickly type this data in Microsoft Excel because you are going to need it, because this is called a data source file. A data source file, that is, you are going to link or to merge with your Word document file. Okay, so in mail merge we are merging 2 document files. We are merging a database file and a document file. So this is the database file that you are going to be merging. You can either type it in Microsoft Excel or in Microsoft Access. I chose to type it in Microsoft Excel because it was quicker for me, but I can also type it in Microsoft Access. You should be able to use both Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Access by now. Okay, I'm sure you did it when you are doing your N5. Okay, so now you can type your document in whichever file that you want, as long as it's a database that you can link to your Word document. So we are going to look at question 8b that requires us to merge with another document. We are supposed to type a letter and merge it with this one. So we're going to meet in the next video where I teach you question 8b. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.